Hi there! Have you heard about ElevenLabs? No? Let's talk about that. ElevenLabs is a pioneering company in voice AI research and deployment. They specialize in creating ultra-realistic, versatile, and contextually aware AI audio. This technology allows for the generation of speech in hundreds of voices across 29 languages. Seems interesting. Let's explore each one step by step. VoiceLab is a groundbreaking feature where you can clone and generate content in new voices. By clicking on the plus icon, you're presented with 4 options. Generate a new voice. Adjust parameters like age, gender, and accent to create a unique voice. Instant voice cloning. Upload or record an audio file for cloning. This requires at least a starter plan. Grab your first month at 80% off for just $1 by clicking the link in the description below. Voice Library, a marketplace where the community shares voice models. You can easily add these to your VoiceLab. Professional voice cloning. Create a highly realistic digital replica of any voice. This feature requires a Creator Plus plan, currently at 50% off for the first month, making it only $11. Find the link in the description to try it out. In the speech section, you have 2 options, text-to-speech and the brand new speech-to-speech feature. Choose from several models and select your target voice from a wide array of pre-made options. Experiment with settings for stability, clarity, similarity. Simply enter your text and generate.
Hi there.
Similar to text-to-speech, but allows you to upload or record audio instead of typing text.
Visual feed, that's a unique.
Choose from 2 models for this feature. Projects. This advanced editor, perfect for long-form content and full document conversions. It supports uploading entire books or documents and even importing web pages. The AI then generates a voiceover narration. You can download this as individual or a single file for the whole project. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a detailed review. Dubbing. Dubbing is a powerful tool for various applications.
More language to reach.
Including social media, entertainment, marketing, education. Start by naming your project and selecting languages. Upload your file or use a link from platforms YouTube, TikTok. Adjust settings to your preference, including the number of speakers and video resolution, which requires a Creator Plus plan. Check the description for a link to get 50% off your first month. And one more exciting update from ElevenLabs.
Upload as little as 30 minutes of audio, fill in a few details, and our AI can create a voice that's ready to be used in projects worldwide. Set your own personalized custom rate, and you'll earn as your voice is used.
Create, control, earn. Got it.
All relevant links are in the description below, so no worries. If you liked it, make sure to do your magic down there and see you on the next one.